welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. Today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous wig. Today's hair sponsor is Hairvivi. I have to tell you guys more details about this wig. It stands out from all the others for a number of reasons, and I think you guys want to know why. So continue watching. Constructed on a very special wig cap, and they actually sent me one to show you guys what it's made of. It has 3 anti-slip silicone stickers at the bottom of the wig, so that's going to hit you at your nape to prevent the wig from slipping, but it also has combs when you have it on at the back there, so you have added security for this wig to be the perfect glueless wig. But not only that, you guys, they went above and beyond. They also added these V-shaped ear tabs, okay, and these are bendable and adjustable, which today is glueless. I did not secure that, but as you guys can see, even when just moving my hands, like the hair through my hands, it is laying flush because of those ear tabs. They are bendable, so what you need to do when you put them on is you just need to bend them down. So when you bend them down, which I will do, it pushes that hair down so it's not like flopping in the wind. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, the construction, the quality that you're getting. These removable straps are also really high quality elastic rubber bands. I'm impressed, you guys. I know I'm gonna just be in love with this wig, but it also came with some bangs. Now this is an additional piece that you add on if you would like. So they have thick and wispy. So after we do the install of the wig, where we, cut the lace off and all that, we will then try this out. All I did was install the wig glueless, so I just cut the lace off. I don't know if I have that footage or not, but I just removed the lace. It has these ear tabs that are bendable, so you don't actually have to secure it with like glue. Once you bend the tabs, you'll see that the wig will kind of just naturally lay flush on your face. It is such a natural hairline, like look at it you guys, and it literally was straightened with one pass. All I did was one pass, and this is how straight it got. I'm absolutely in love. But we got these little bangs. I have a wispy bang, and I have, actually they're both wispy. One is thick, this is the thick version, and this is the thin version. So I'm gonna try both of them on for you guys. They come like this, okay, and you literally just attach it to your wig. So wherever you want the bangs to lay, that's where you would attach it. So I like my bangs a little bit lower into my face. Some people like it higher. If you're one of those girls that like it high like this, you can attach it like that. I'm not, so I'm gonna attach it where I would normally have my bangs cut. And this is the thick wispies. Is definitely a glueless wig, 100% glueless wig. Now I do want to go in and just spray a bit of hairspray because I just want to spray it right here just to add some extra security. So that elastic band is also giving you extra security, which it definitely is. This wig is definitely secure on my head, and the back especially. Usually I don't really feel like the back is secure, but the back is really secured. I did go for a somewhat glueless method today. I was going to do 100% glueless, but I decided not to. I put just some spray just along the front, but again, I left all of this glueless. As you guys can see, that is not attached to my head, and when you put it down, you can see it looks flawless. This wig is perfectly plucked and perfectly bleached. I did not do anything to this unit whatsoever. Look at the knots, you guys. I wish I could do it that good. So I would say 10 out of 10 for that. So the softness of this unit, hands down the best quality straight hair I've come across. Now, I've reviewed a lot of wigs and you guys know this, and when I get a wig that's like amazing quality, I have to say it. This is definitely the best quality straight hair that I've received. Of course, I did not wash the unit because I didn't need to. It came perfectly ready for me to just put on and cut off the lace. Love that. The hair feels so soft. As I'm running my hands through the wig, it feels like it's all my hair. It's so soft and flat to my head. I'm not feeling any tracks. If you're someone who's like insecure about, you know, wearing wig, and if people will clock you and notice that it's fake, it's not yours, this is the wig for you. I'm telling you. You can't feel it at all. It feels like literally this was all my hair. Everywhere. Yeah, everywhere that I feel, it just feels like it's my hair. Amazing. Love it. I know you guys can see the shine and the luster of this hair. Beautiful quality, so bouncy. I did not put any products in the hair, nothing. This is just how it came. All I did was one pass through the hair with my flat iron, and that was that. I love wearing bangs, but I don't want to necessarily cut my really beautiful wig. So this is the perfect option because you get that look without the work and you have no commitment. So you can wear it like this, which I would recommend getting this one. I thought I would prefer the thin wispy bangs, but no, I prefer this one, the thick wispy. I think it just looks the most like realistic when it comes to like bangs. I'm gonna be using these clip-ins with other wigs too, like longer wigs. It's so versatile. You can literally put it on anything. If you guys would like to win this wispy bang, comment in the comment section, leave a nice comment, and also tell me that you'd like to win this piece, and I'll donate this piece to somebody who wants it. It's beautiful hair. You guys will be able to test out the quality of the hair. Love the cut of it too. It's perfectly cut. It's just perfect, all around perfect. I have absolutely nothing bad to say. So you have the option to order in a middle part, side part. The fake scalp that is underneath comes in different colors. So you can get cappuccino, mocha, or honey. This wig is For sure, Kaviar Kez approved, you guys. If you get this wig, you're gonna be blown away with the quality. You're gonna be amazed by how soft it feels, how good it looks, and how well constructed it is. You guys check them out. Again, I'm gonna leave all the information to Hairvivi in the description box below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. We are growing and we are doing lots of giveaways. You don't wanna miss out on that. Like I said, I'm gonna be giving away the thin wispy bangs for you guys, and I'm gonna throw in some extra goodies as well. So if you'd like to win that, you need to comment in this video in the comment section something nice about this video, your thoughts or whatever you'd like to say, and also say you are entering this giveaway, and we will pick a winner soon. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you in another video. Bye for now.